Philippine Literature Review. What was the primary characteristic of pre-colonial Filipino literature? A. Written tradition. B. Religious content. C. Foreign influences. D. Oral tradition. D. Oral tradition. What aspects of daily life did pre-colonial Filipino literature reflect? A. Politics and government. B. Household, farming, fishing, and hunting. C. Foreign trade and exploration. D. War and conquest. B. Household, farming, fishing, and hunting. What was the first Filipino alphabet code? A. Baybayin. B. Tagalog script. C. Roman alphabet. D. Alibata. D. Alibata. How did pre-colonial Filipinos pass down their literature? A. Through books and written records. B. Through oral traditions such as stories and chants. C. Through newspapers and pamphlets. D. Through academic institutions. B. Through oral traditions such as stories and chants. What is the primary characteristic of Philippine literature during the pre-colonial period? A. It focused on modern themes of industrialization. B. It was centered on written texts and scripts. C. It relied heavily on oral tradition. D. It emphasized colonial influences. C. It relied heavily on oral tradition. What is the first Filipino alphabet code? A. Baybayin. B. Alibata. C. Roman alphabet. D. Hiragana. C. Roman alphabet. 7. Which form of pre-colonial Philippine literature is a quatrain with 7 syllables per line and the same rhyme at the end of each line? A. Riddle. B. Proverb. C. Tanaga. D. Folk song. C. Tanaga. Which of the following is a work song traditionally sung by the Ivatans? A. Hele or Oyayi. B. Kalusan. C. Kanogan. D. Kumintang. B. Kalusan. Which Philippine epic tells the story of a hero from Ilocano culture? A. Biag ni Lamang. B. Hinilawod. C. Bantugan. D. Kudaman. A. Biag ni Lamang. What is the main difference between myths and legends in pre-colonial Philippine literature? A. Myths explain origins and supernatural events, while legends describe everyday life. B. Myths are sacred narratives, while legends often explain the origins of things and cultural traditions. C. Legends are fictional, while myths are historical accounts. D. Legends focus on moral lessons, while myths are entertaining tales. B. Myths are sacred narratives, while legends often explain the origins of things and cultural traditions. What type of literature dominated the Spanish period in the Philippines? A. Epic and secular tales. B. Religious and secular literature. C. Oral traditions and myths. D. Fables and legends. B. Religious and secular literature. Which book, written by Father Juan de Plasencia and Father Domingo Nieva, served as a guide for religious practices and was written in both Tagalog and Spanish? A. Passion. B. Urbana at Felisa. A. Ang Doktrina Kristiyana. D. Nuestra Señora del Rosario. D. Nuestra Señora del Rosario. Which dramatic performance commemorates the passion and death of Jesus Christ? A. Cenaculo. B. Tibag. C. Salubong. D. Moro-moro. A. Cenaculo. What is a magical tale written in octosyllabic quatrains such as Florante at Laura by Francisco Baltasar? A. Awit. B. Zarzuela. C. Balagtasan. D. Corrido. D. Corrido. What is the title of the first Tagalog dictionary written during the Spanish period? A. Vocabulario de la Lengua Tagala. B. Ang Barlaan at Josephat. C. Nuestra Señora del Rosario. D. Ang Doktrina Kristiyana. A. Vocabulario de la Lengua Tagala. Who is known as the master of traditional Tagalog poetry and the author of Florante at Laura? A. Jose de la Cruz. B. Francisco Baltasar. C. Modesto de Castro. D. Father Antonio de Borja. D. Francisco Baltasar. What event reawakened the Filipino spirit during the period of enlightenment? A. The execution of Rizal. B. The signing of the Pact of Biak na Bato. C. The guillotine execution of Gomez, Burgos, and Zamora. D. The start of the Katipunan Revolution. D. The start of the Katipunan Revolution. What was the main goal of the propaganda movement? A. To promote armed revolution against Spain. B. To create reforms in the Philippines. C. To establish a new government independent of Spain. D. To advocate for monarchy in the Philippines. D. To create reforms in the Philippines. Which of the following works was written by Jose Rizal and is considered one of the key political novels of the propaganda movement? A. La Solidaridad. B. No Limitangere. C. Ang Lupang Tinubuan. D. Fray Botod. B. No Limitangere. Who is known as the father of the Philippine Revolution and wrote the poem Pag-ibig sa Tinubuang Lupa? A. Marcelo H. Del Pilar. B. Emilio Asinto. C. Andres Bonifacio. D. Mariano Ponce. C. Andres Bonifacio.
What was the pen name used by Antonio Luna, the writer of La Independencia? A. Homapa. B. Plaridel. C. Tabing Ilog. D. Laong Laan. C. Tabing Ilog. Who wrote Ninay, the first social novel in Spanish by a Filipino? A. Pedro Paterno. B. Graciano Lopez Hiana. C. Mariano Ponce. D. Jose Maria Panganiban. A. Pedro Paterno. Who is known as the father of the national language grammar and authored the masterpiece Banaag at Sikat? A. Jose Corazon de Jesus. B. Armando V. Hernandez. C. Valeriano Hernandez Peña. D. Lope K. Santos. D. Lope K. Santos. Which literary period under the American regime was characterized by a strict adherence to conventional forms of literature and the works of Western authors like Longfellow and Tennyson? A. Period of reorientation. B. Period of imitation. C. Period of self-discovery and growth. D. Period of nationalism. B. Period of imitation. What is the title of the short story by Paz Marquez Benitez that is considered a model of perfection in character delineation, local color, plot, and message? A. Dead Stars. B. Azucena. C. A Child of Sorrow. D. Ang Panday. A. Dead Stars. Who is the first Filipino biographer to write in English and authored The Great Malayan? A. Salvador B. Lopez. B. Francisco P. Icasiano. C. Carlos Quirino. D. Marcelo de Gracia Concepcion. C. Carlos Quirino. What was the title of the first Filipino novel in English written by Zoilo M. Galang? A. Nevermind and Other Poems. B. A Child of Sorrow. C. The Great Malayan. D. Horizons from My Nipahut. B. A Child of Sorrow. Which Filipino writer known by the pen name Huseng Batute was called the poet of love and authored Ang Isang Punong Kahoy? A. Inigo Ed Regalado. B. Valeriano Hernandez Peña. C. Jose Corazon de Jesus. D. Armando V. Hernandez. C. Jose Corazon de Jesus.
What happened to the Philippine literature in English during the Japanese period? A. It flourished. B. It was dominated by Japanese writers. C. It became the only form of literature allowed. D. It came to a halt. D. It came to a halt. What type of poetry introduced during the Japanese period consists of 17 syllables divided into 3 lines 5-7-5? A. Haiku. B. Panaga. C. Karaniwang anyo. D. Free verse. B. Panaga. Which newspapers were allowed to circulate during the Japanese period? A. Free Press and Daily Mirror. B. Tribune and Filipino Review. C. Liwayway and Evening News. D. Philippine Free Press. D. Philippine Free Press and Bulletin. B. Tribune and Philippine Review. Who is the playwright behind the drama Panday Pira? A. Francisco Soc Rodrigo. B. Clodoaldo del Mundo. C. Jose Maria Hernandez. D. Julian Cruz Balmaceda. C. Jose Maria Hernandez. What is the common theme of poems written during the Japanese period? A. Globalization and technology. B. Nationalism, country, love, and life in the barrios. C. Political reforms and governance. D. Urbanization and industrialization. C. Political reforms and governance. Which short story by Narciso Reyes was considered one of the best during the Japanese period? A. Lungsod Ngayon. A. Lungsod Ngayon at Dagat-Dagatan. B. Uhaw ang Tigang na Lupa. C. Lupang Tinubuan. D. Ang Panday. C. Lupang Tinubuan. What is the 17-syllable poem with measure and rhyme introduced during the Japanese period? A. Haiku. B. Tanaga. C. Karaniwang anyo. D. Allegory. B. Tanaga. Who wrote the play Sapula, Saputi? A. Clodoaldo del Mundo. B. Francisco Soc Rodrigo. C. Julian Cruz Balmaceda. D. Jose Maria Hernandez. C. Julian Cruz Balmaceda. What was the status of the weekly magazine Liwayway during the Japanese period? A. It ceased publication. B. It was managed by a Japanese. C. It became a nationalist publication. D. It published only religiously. D. It published only religious content. B. It was managed by a Japanese. Which type of poem was commonly written during the Japanese period and had no specific measure or rhyme? A. Tanaga. B. Haiku. C. Free verse. D. Karaniwang anyo. D. Karaniwang anyo. Who wrote Uhaw ang Tigang na Lupa, a notable short story of the Japanese period? A. Narciso Reyes. B. Andy M. Gonzalez. C. Liwayway Arceo. D. Amador Daguio. C. Liwayway Arceo. What form of the literature was encouraged by the Japanese to promote Filipino vernacular languages? A. Novels in English. B. Poems and dramas in Filipino. C. Historical essays in Spanish. D. Biographies of Filipino leaders. B. Poems and dramas in Filipino.